1 ducat per year. He plays all the old gamboys and speaks 3 or 4 languages word for word without a book. And he has all the good gifts of nature.
He has, indeed. And that's natural.
Well, besides that, he's a fool. He's a great orator. And but that he has the gift of a coward to allay the gossip he has this morning. So the thought among the prudence that he would quickly have the gift of the grave.
By this time, they are scoundrels and subtractors that say so of him. Go on.
Say that as, moreover, he is drunk nightly in your company.
With drinking health to my niece. I'll drink to her as long as there is passage in my throat and drink in delirium. What, wench? Cost you long, for here comes Sir